can UV reflected colors be used for pest control? By Kirtana Shankar Ganesh. Humans need to find environmentally friendly and sustainable ways to control insects, especially because traditional chemical pesticides can be harmful to both the environment and human health. When I learned that insects see in a different spectrum of light and that flowers have evolved to use color to attract them by reflecting UV light, I wondered how color could be used as a non-toxic, eco-friendly way to control pests. I researched various flowers that attract different insects and their colors. Then I created model flowers by painting cups with UV reflective paint, filling them with a soapy water solution, and leaving them outside for 24 hours. The results show that the purple cup attracted the fewest insects with only 3, while the white cup attracted the most with 18. Other non-primary colors such as pink, orange, and green also attracted fewer insects, whereas brighter colors like blue, red, and yellow drew significantly more. In conclusion, my experiments suggest that UV reflective colors can indeed influence insect behavior, with brighter colors attracting more and others attracting fewer. This information can be useful for finding more natural ways to manage insect populations, whether for attracting beneficial pollinators or deterring pests. Further research could explore the specific types of insects attracted to each color and how these findings can be applied in real-world scenarios, such as in gardens, farms, or even urban settings where minimizing the use of chemical insecticides is crucial. This is my research on the topic. Hypothesis. I believe cool colors and less bright colors will attract less insects, whereas warmer and brighter colors will attract more. Materials. Variables. Procedure. First, I trace the bottom of the cups and cut out circles. Then I measure the height of the sides and cut strips for the side. Third, I painted the circles for the bottom and both sides of the strips with UV reflective paint. Then I taped the paper onto the cup. Then I made a soapy solution with 10% soap and 90% water. Then I filled each cup to about an inch. Then I placed the cups outside for 24 hours. These are the results. Qualitative data. Quantitative data. Here are my graphed results. The purple cup attracted the fewest insects with only 3, while the white cup attracted the most with 18 insects. Other colors like pink, orange, and green tended to attract fewer insects as well, whereas brighter colors such as blue, red, and yellow drew significantly more. This suggests that UV reflective colors can indeed influence insect behavior, with the brighter colors attracting more insects and others attracting fewer. The purple cup attracted the fewest insects, which is intriguing, as purple is a color that is often associated with UV reflective flowers in nature, particularly in flowers like violets or lavender. However, it is important to note that while some insects like bees are drawn to purple, others may not perceive them as strongly. The intensity of the color could also influence the response. If the UV reflective properties of the paint weren't as strong or the purple shade was not as vivid as the others, it may have been less attractive to insects. White, particularly when it reflects a broad spectrum of light, could have attracted the most insects due to its high UV reflectivity. White flowers like daisies are particularly effective at attracting pollinators. The high contrast of the white might also make it easier for insects to spot from a distance. The white cup, therefore, might have acted like a large visible target for any passing insect. Pink and orange may reflect some UV light, but tend to be less attractive to many common pollinators that tend to prefer purple or blue or yellow. In nature, pink and orange flowers often have patterns that are more appealing to specific species like butterflies, but may not be as attractive to a wide range of insects. Green is a color that many insects don't generally find attractive because it blends in with the natural foliage and doesn't reflect as much UV light compared to other colors. It is also a color less commonly associated with flowers, so insects may not instinctively recognize it as a potential food source or resting spot. Brighter colors such as blue, red, and yellow attract significantly more insects. This aligns with the biological preferences of many insect species, especially pollinators. This suggests that UV reflected colors, particularly those that are bright and saturated like blue, yellow, and red, have a significant influence on insect attraction, which is due to the high visibility and UV reflection that these colors offer, making them stand out to more pollinators. However, colors that reflect less UV light, like purple, pink, and green, may be less noticeable or less appealing to insects. Conclusion. In conclusion, my experiment suggests that UV reflected colors can influence insect behavior, with brighter colors attracting more insects and others attract fewer. These findings can be useful for developing more natural ways to manage insect populations, whether it be for attracting beneficial pollinators or deterring pests. Further research can help identify the specific types of insects attracted to each color, patterns, and color combinations to attract certain species. Testing in real-world environments, including different climates and seasons, would provide more useful data on how to use color for insect management. This approach offers a new, natural, eco-friendly alternative to chemicals with potential use in gardens, farms, and urban areas, or even just choosing less attractive colors when outdoors. Simple applications like these are important in helping reduce reliance on chemicals.